How to recover suspended and disabled Instagram account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Instagram on a device. Also make sure the Instagram is updated to the latest version. To update Instagram, open up Play Store, tap on the search icon and tap on the search bar. Now type Instagram and click on search. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. So first of all, your account could be suspended if you violate the community guidelines. But sometimes it could be suspended due to some mistake by Instagram. That's why Instagram gives you an option for disagree with their decision. Now on this page, simply tap on disagree with their decision. A recaptcha page will appear. Simply tap on I am not a robot. Now verify the captcha. Select all the images. Now once you select it, simply tap on verify. Now once you verify, simply tap on next. Now enter your email address and tap on send code. Now once you tap on send code, open up your Gmail application and copy the code. Now once you copy the code, simply tap on 6-digit code and paste your code there and tap on next. If you don't have the access to email address, simply tap on update email address and change your email address. Now once you're done, simply tap on next. Now once you verify your email address, simply tap on enter your phone number, select your country. Now then enter your phone number and simply tap on send code. Now once you tap on it, enter the 6-digit code and tap on next. If you don't have the access to phone number, simply tap on update mobile number and enter your new number. Now once you're done, simply tap on next. Now once you complete all the process, you will be asked to wait for 24 hours or more. Until then, Instagram process your request. And if your account is disabled by mistake, then they will recover your account. Now wait for 24 hours or more. Now within 24 hours you will get an email. It looks like your account was disabled by mistake. Your account has been reactivated and you should now be able to log in. Now once your Instagram verifies your identity and confirms that you have not violated any community guidelines, then it reactivates your account. You will get a mail that looks like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.